Hey y'all, hey, so I came on here random as hell. I did my bantu knots again and I love them. So much for that. It's a new day. I have been trying to record footage for y'all to do like a week in a life, but oh my god, y'all, I can't breathe. I need to try to get some footage in, but I can't be like this. Like, it'd be nice if I started off with an intro, right? Hello, welcome, and welcome back. Hey y'all, don't fall. I'm coming to y'all today to close off this weekly vlog that I've been vlogging. Supposed to be vlogging between me being sick, the weather. So I'm going to definitely close off this video today. I hope y'all watched my last video, my dossier perfume review. You know what? I just realized, I know that you're probably not going to be able to hear me. I need to stop talking low, but forgive me, y'all. Look at my nails. Y'all see these nails? Horrible. Horrible. Go outside. I got a couple of errands I got to run. And that's pretty much it. I'm not sure what y'all going to get today. Y'all see this? Stay over there. All right, y'all, I'm back from this shower. And the last time, a couple of days ago, I went to TJmax and I was looking for this bracelet. Of course, they didn't have it. So then today, I went to TJmax for something else. I went there to go get, you know, my scrub things because one in my bathroom needs to go in the garbage. So I went to go get those and they had the bracelet. And I wasn't even going there for that. See? On the day when I'm not going there for it, that's when they have it. And it is cute. $16, the original price. This is Lucky brand too. I like that brand. The original price is $35. And this is a good quality bracelet, I ain't gonna lie. The quality of this is really good. But that's cute or whatever. And actually, see y'all, I was gonna do a separate review, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all. If I try to do a review separately, it's never gonna happen because I just don't have the time. Real quick, y'all, because I'm not gonna do another vlog because I just know I'm not. So, real quick. So anyway, I was gonna do a review. Y'all just gonna get it in this vlog. So I got this bracelet to go with my watch. So, woohoo! She got her a JBW watch. I said, I'm gonna just get one because I have my Michelle watch, which is silver, and this one is gold and silver. So now I can switch it up. Yeah, platinum warranty benefits, and this is the box. It's actually a nice looking box too. Ta-da! So this, the diamond certification is, I gotta go register it. This is what, you know, my serial number and stuff, so y'all can't see that. Just proves my watch to be legit, honey. So if I'm not mistaken, I don't know, this watch has, if I'm not mistaken, this watch has 13 real diamonds. Yeah, so like I was saying, I need a watch that, I didn't need it, I wanted a watch that's two-tone, and I wear my Michelle every day. But this is cute. This is cute, y'all. My lights is kind of dim. Hold on. I think, yeah, that's brighter. That's brighter. Hey, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna take all the plastic and all of that stuff off later. But it's lighter. It's definitely not as heavy as my Michelle watch. But I still think it's cute. I still think it's cute, y'all. I'm trying not to show y'all my nails. I showed y'all earlier that my nails is jacked up. But I'm gonna put all the deets below. Because like I said, this is not a full review. This is just, and I was gonna wear it today, but I actually didn't wear nothing really outside today. Because I just went to go handle some business. But I like it. I like it, and it fits me perfectly. Like my, you know, I don't have to take no links out or nothing. This fits perfect. So, shout outs to JBW for this watch. I like it. And TJmax. This is not sponsored. I spent my own money. That's why I'm just throwing this clip in. And I'll just put the details below if you're interested. I got so what happened was I had ordered from Tárget, and oh, by the way, y'all, this bracelet is got some weight to it. I had ordered from Tárget, and it was stuck in Edison, New Jersey for like 2 weeks. So I called them and they gave my money back, and they gave me a $5 coupon to use in my next order. And then what do you know? Package came in the mail yesterday. 2.5 weeks later. So it was definitely lost. But I guess it found its way here. So it was for the free. It was for the free. We like free. It's by the brand Mixed Bars. Coconut Palm EDP. And I already smelled it. I smelled it in the store. I sprayed it on me. It stayed on all day. Y'all know I like coconut. So, yeah. Y'all can't be looking at my nails. My nails look messy. I was sick. It's about to be better weather. Yeah. Soon it will be sweater weather, y'all. I got so much cleaning to do. Somebody come help me. Sweatsuits, y'all. Sweatsuits. Some of them is hung up, some of them is not. It's like, girl, why do you got two? But y'all see the difference? This is white, this is beige. One of these is crop, one of them is not. You know? I got another white sweatsuit. So when y'all see your girl in a white sweatsuit at least 3 times, y'all ain't gonna see one 3 times. Woo! Yes, she likes to dress down, but don't sleep on your girl. She cleaned up. I made this, y'all. This thing is so super duper thick. It plays no games. There was some spring nights when that spring air hit in the middle of the night, and that stuff came in handy. But I just washed it, so leave it where it is. Somebody give me my my dream walk-in closet, please. For the free. These glasses. They look black because of the lighting, but it's like a teal. Y'all see my plants over there just thriving and stuff? Wow, guys. I ain't eat all day. The time is 2:54. And this is my first time eating for the whole day. So I'm eating my food. And I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Ooh, the ratchetness. Ooh.